Buddy, hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Oh, are they all going for a ride? Here, but we have to put our hood on to go outside, okay? We have to put our hood on to go outside. And then put your hood on. That keeps you warm, okay? Keeps you warm, sweetie.
Hoodie. Hoodie.
That's a hoodie. That's right. That's your hoodie. There you go.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Say.
Are we going to go outside?
Say.
You want to go outside for a walk?
Look.
Let's go outside for a walk.
Me.
Okay, me. Who are we taking? You taking Kitty? We'll just come back into the garage.
Wait.
Well, we can leave all this soap then, right?
I mean, why don't we even just...
I mean, we're not going anywhere. Are we?
Oh, I thought we'd walk up and down the street.
Oh.
Well, we'll take pictures of it in the yard too, but she's going to want to walk. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Here, can you grab the...
Yeah.
Okay, you want to come down in here?
No.
Well, let me put on a sweater then.
Oh,